So I told you about working together, feeling that you are part of this department, feeling that you are part of a big scheme, that women's empowerment actually happens. See, it's not only men, women and men. Sometimes we all have this feeling internally, ठीक अच्छे हमें दरमा पाउचो हमें डिपार्टमेंट रे अच्छो, but actually it is rubbish and bullshit. गाँव रो महिला मानू को नहीं कि केबे भी empowerment करा जाए परिबनी. If you need that change, then I suggest you go out and work some other place. So what I have decided now, if anything like this comes to my knowledge, the first call is going to go to your district collector. कि अमुका लोक एमती फील करूचंती मते एमती ग्रीवेंस आसीची अमुका लोक ये करूचंती प्लीज एडवाइस हिम और हर प्लीज काउंसल हिम और हर जदि ता परे भी आई सी नो चेंज देन यू विल गेट सम ऑफिस ऑर्डर दिस आई एम टेलिंग यू ओपनली सो डोंट फोर्स मी टू डू दैट कलेक्टर विल डेफिनेटली कॉल यू एंड काउंसल यू दैट विल बी योर फर्स्ट टाइम. So let us forget what we have done till now. From now on, you have to show that you are worthy and fit to be in Mission Shakti department, that truly you believe in women's empowerment and आपन को जो task दिया जाउची, जोटा भी भुवनेश्वर जाउची, you will follow it with full efficiency. जदि now I'll come to the other side. You may or may not be knowing, we have been going through both SPD, me and all the joint secretaries in the department. We have been sitting for numerous meetings just to see your salary structure and how it can be revised and how we can give you best in the country. So that it motivates you to work harder. Number one. Till grassroots employees. State, district, grassroots employees. Second, we are also going to go in for a large recruitment. जोटी की डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल रे, स्टेट लेवल रे, ब्लॉक लेवल रे, you will get support staff. We understand that there sometimes when people, जो माने hardworking people इटी अच्छी, when you work also, everything you are doing alone. You may be doing PDDRDA's work or DSW's work, निजो कामो, जहाँ state through दिया होची, plus there are a lot of others, almost every 3-4 months put in one jinsa jauchi, scooter yojana ho ki amka ho ki aukachi ho. So we will give you support staff. So one is a salary revision you can look forward to. Supporting hands till the block level you will get. Then we are also thinking of what best to do for your health assurance. And we both lot of requests come to us of block level staff and all who are unable to pay medical expenses. So we are going to request government to put you into a health assurance scheme for all the staff till community support staff. So we are thinking of that. आपण भाबंतु नहीं it is only regulatory, but together with this जदि मते कामो मिलिवनी आपण कठो then it is really sad. अब ए वर्ष हमर कोन कामो अछि, what is the main thing? आज पूरा दिन you will deliberate about it, but from my point of view I would just like to tell a few things. एबे माननीय मुख्यमंत्री गोटे स्कूटर योजना आरंभ अनाउंस करचंती, बजेटरी सपोर्ट भी हेची. सेथिरे आपण मानको 3rd week of July Honorable CM will have a big function in Bhubaneswar where virtual mode re say sanction karibe 1 lakh or whatever is the amount that has been asked for in the bank. Right now we have got applications for 38,000 or 39,000 beneficiaries, both EC members and community support staff. Certain districts have not given us also. Seta bhi apan ko dekhaibo. Now I want that all districts, all blocks are covered. There should not be any district or any block which is zero, and it should not be ki proportionate to the population that you have apan bahut low re achanti. Ganjam cannot be lower in applications than Devgarh. You're understanding? Baleshwar cannot be lower than Bhadrak. So please go back and check. 38,000 applications ebe porjante amuko asichi. It will be very good if we do 50,000 applications. Ei borsho ame rakhichu gote target of 80,000. Setiki tonka budget re rakhaichi. 80,000 amar staff jemti ei scheme ro subidha ta pai paribe. If you feel that na a scheme ta ethi pai people au eta kole au tike bhola honta, you are free to give your suggestions when we have the specific round on it. So scooter thing is very important. I cannot stress the importance of it. Second, आपण मानको गोटे दायित्व दिया जायछि आधार कार्ड कलेक्शन करिवा में, आधार कार्ड नंबर्स. सेटा मु देखुची बहुत जिला रो आसुनी. I will tell you the reason for this Aadhaar card collection. We want to give every member of the SHG group a smart card, identity card. जोटारे chip थिबो, which will be chip based. Unless we have the Aadhaar card, से chip based smart card हमें दे परिबोनी. से smart card अपन बाबोती कौन पे यूज हे परिबो? For any scheme of government, any scheme. काली को suddenly if government takes a decision कि all Mission Shakti members will have BSKY coverage, तो तंको BSKY card दरकार नहीं. This card will be sufficient. If under the new scheme Lakshmi, जो तरह की transport सुविधा होगा from the GP to almost Puri and Bhubaneswar, जदि government कहबे कि गोटिए वर्ष रे 10 थर गोटे मिशन शक्ति मेंबर फ्री रे जाई परिबो बस रे से कार्ड ता तंकर तो एनी बेनिफिट that tomorrow will be given to a mission shakti member will be based on that card. आउ सेटा हेई परिबोनी जदि हमें आधार कार्ड को कलेक्ट करू. No point giving just a normal ID card. So आमे आजि पर्यंत 40 lakh members करा कलेक्ट करिछु. 21 lakh is authenticated. Rest of the districts, rest of the blocks ताहले वंचित हेबे जेतरे से कार्ड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन होबो. And you will face the music. Your collector will face. Your political leaders will face the music. कि पाखा ब्लॉक वाला कहीं की पाइले हमें कहीं की पाइलो नहीं. That time you cannot say मु आधार कार्ड कलेक्ट करनी. In that also, if you have any suggestions, if the community support staff आधार कार्ड कलेक्ट करचंती and you feel that an incentive should be given to them, let us work together to find solutions. एटा कले आउटिके भलो हो कि आपण माने सेटा को ध्यान ही देई नांती ताले मासे दिमास जाई कि ध्यान दियंतु. नाउ टाइम इज शॉर्ट. आई वांटेड इट कलेक्टेड बाय आई डोंट नो व्हाट डेडलाइन वाज गिवन बट बाय ऑगस्ट एंड इट शुड हैव बीन ऑथेंटिकेटेड. You basically just have 2 months. There are certain blocks जो माने zero करचंती बोधे. Sujit will guide you on that. So scooter scheme, Aadhaar card. Third is Mo Sarkar. Mo Sarkar रे Honorable Chief Minister had made a mention कि you should have at least 1 lakh numbers on the Mission Shakti database. So that numbers is of 2 types. One is जो माने अमर block किंबा CDPO office को आसुचंती जो SHG माने तांको नंबर टा कलेक्शन होबो. द्वितीय होची जो माने सरकारी काम रे नियुक्ति अछंती माने पीसी कल्चर हो मुक्ता हो एनीथिंग. I don't know how many numbers we have collected but it is certainly not up to mark. मु देखुची जतोळे I make calls certain districts को बारंबार जाउची. Like I know मयूरभंज को मु बहुत थोड़ा कॉल कर सरलेनी but some districts को नंबर ही आसुनी. So I am told that 289 blocks out of 314 not one entry. माने कई जाउना थी से ब्लॉक को किछि भी पचारिया पे. You are not taking it seriously. Today the data will be shared with you कि को ब्लॉक को केते जण आछंती. आ आमो पाखरे केते डेटाबेस अछि. So this is again another important thing, Mo Sarkar. Next is financial inclusion. Now all of you put together, all of us put together, ए वर्ष हमर भलो सक्सेस हैला. We broke the barrier of 10,000. 10,000 को क्रॉस करके 11,000 हैला. किंतु 11,000 रे हमें किछि बाबाई नबार नाही काहे कि स्टेट माने अछंती जो मान 40,000 भी करचंती. 30,000, 37,000. Bihar is higher than us. This year we have set a target of 15,000. I have a feeling that we should touch 17,000-18,000. And more importantly, average loan size should be 4 lakh. Ebe amar average loan size 3.1 or something. So eta ko kariya pe hele unless both DPC and DPM sit together and have a block wise strategy, eta hobani. आपण माने ब्लॉक आउ जीपी पर्यंत न गले यू कैन नॉट रीच काहे कि ऑलरेडी गोटे सैचुरेशन मोड को आसी गलानी. 11,000 आपण कर सरलेनी. मोस्ट एसएचजीस हैव टेकन. यू हैव टू टारगेट दोज एसएचजीस जो माने गत 2 वर्ष लोन नहीं नांती फॉर सम रीजन. सेठी पे हमें गोटे ब्लॉक रिसोर्स ग्रुप भी कलो. एठी लीडर्स मन को डका हैला टू हैव मीटिंग्स and to transfer this knowledge at the block level. जदि आपण सेटा को रूटीन मैनर रे करिवे you will not get any benefit out of it. So to touch the target of 15,000 crores and 4 lakh, you have to be responsible and have a district block GP-wise strategy. Then there are issues of federation functioning. Huge issues. जोटा कि आमो पाखो को आसीबा कथा नुहे. If you sort it out at your level, most relate to GPLFs. ଆଉ ଆପଣ ମାନେ ସମସ୍ତେ ସେଟା ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି these are historical problems. दीटा ग्रुप भितर प्रॉब्लम होची. If you put your heart and mind to it, take the leadership of PD or collector or whoever, or DSW, whoever you are, sort it out at one go. से माने काहे की कोर्ट को जिबे, काहे की आमो पाखु को आसीबे झगड़ा झाटी नहीं की. It must be solved at the district level. Certain districts रे huge issues अछि. Mainly GPLF leadership, rotation of leadership, change of leadership. We have बारंबार आमे कहिछु कि एबे leadership change होबार नाही. तेबे भी करा होची. Then it becomes a problem. Then it comes to us. They have gone to you first. No solution. You have to get into this. Ebe already GPLF ebe sabu intensive helani. Recruitment is going on. I know there are some issues with recruitment, but it is being sorted out. Give instruction to your staff that it should be free and fair. Jodi BLF leader kichi corruption kale ki GPLF leader kichi corruption kale, that is not on your head. But if your BPM or BPC is involved, then you are responsible. So you have to guide these people that ame eti thekedar no, ame eti contractors no, to take money for jobs. If an SHG leader is doing it, they will face the music. Ebe jemti Jajpur ro jo case study thila. Then that is different, but you should stay out of it. And your team should stay out of it. सेतिकी leadership आपन को देखे पे हबो कि जति ब्लॉक रे के BPM की BPC is going haywire, कि केउ MBK की CRP is not, you have to pull them up. So GPLF leadership rotation तांकर जहाँ सब प्राप्य अछि इसी मेंबर मानकर काहे कि हमो को काहे कि खबर आसीबो कि ना सेटा दिया जाउ नै. आमे एबे समर पे बंद करिचु लीडरशिप मानकर आसीबा एटिकी, but they are coming routinely. We have hundreds of ways of getting information. एबे SHGs are walking into my office. मो सरकार कॉल होची, आमे प्रति सप्ताह दीटा ग्रुप को मीट करूछु. गोटे ग्रुप होची GPLF और BLF लीडर्स, और गोटे ग्रुप होची MBKs and बैंक मित्रस. तो we get to know what is happening. से माने फर्स्ट कोन कहबे आमे जाइतलु आगे से माने किछि कले नै. Why should that happen? Your effective leadership should be shown, and among you there are people who are doing very well. So leadership, rotation. Another big headache for us is PG groups. Headache mo ethi pe kochi SHG to SME मान्यवर मुख्यमंत्री कहले सेटा मो स्लोगन नो कि आपन को स्लोगन नो, it is the slogan given by government to us. Are we to allow it to remain a slogan only? We have to ताको कार्यकारी करिवार अछि ना. तो सेटा केमती कार्यकारी होबो जोटा ऑलरेडी सक्सेसफुल पीजीज एपीसी क्लस्टर हो सक्सेसफुल पीजीज तांको आपण आईबीसीबी फंड देबे नै से दौड़ थंतु जेते थोड़ा आसंतु तांकर इनिशियल फंड जहा जेबा कथा देबे नै से ताकर हैरान ही जाय कि दे विल बी जस्ट अ पीजी इन नेम. तापर हैला उद्यमी रजिस्ट्रेशन, very 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 important. As on date, if I have to show कितने SMEs अमर अछंती, ମୋ registration number till few days back was 700. Is it increased? 785. ओडिशा सारा मु जदी कहबी केते SME registration हेचंती, SME माने under the उद्यमी portal 700. 700 गोटे जिल्ला रे होबा कथा. आता परे no increase. We gave a direction to you that register them. Semane registration filing on, suddenly state government may come out with a scheme that jeti jana registration hechanti tanko 80% subsidy re 25 lakhs diya jao. We all know na PGs cannot get only 5 lakh with zero interest. They may need. Right now I spoke to the bamboo cluster of Baleshwar. Their main demand is हमको funds दिया जाओ at subsidized rate. Then only their business can grow. So जदि आपण registration करिवे नै आमे नो स्कीम भी कर परिबो नै ताको पई कि MSME पॉलिसी रे भी ताको पई किछि ओडे एक्स्ट्रा मिसै परिबो नै 700. We are very happy with 700 काहे कि से DPM करो एटा तो मो काम नो, DPC करो एटा तो मो काम नो, एटा ओरमास करबा कथा कि एटा YP करबा कथा. Everything which is SHG is your work. सेटा जदि देखि करबे, it is like a house ना. गोटे घर जदि अंठा प्लेट रखा है ताको पिला भाबो एटा मो कामनो, मां भाबो मो कामनो, बापा भाबो मो कामनो, सेटा रहिला सेठी सडीला. You have to take ownership. That is what I want from all of you. This year you have to show that all of us are actually fit to be working in Mission Shakti. And this I am telling state, district, block, samasthing of coach. You have to earn your presence in Mission Shakti. Otherwise, I will tell you all, you are please free to go to any other department. Okay? Now, on the good side, the feedback from Honorable Chief Minister, from many secretaries who are visiting, from 5T secretary who's visiting, is that Mission Shakti is doing excellent work in the field. Excellent work. So all of you should have a round of applause for yourself. But this excellent work, I know, and you know, and people on the dais know, किछि लोको करछन्ति सेटा हमें बाहरे कहूनो हमें बाहरे समस्ते बाबाई नहीं नौछु हम मिशन शक्ति इज एक्सीलेंट बट ऑल ऑफ अस नो दैट जदि हमें समस्ते मिसिकी करिबा वी कैन डू 100 टाइम्स मोर दैट इज व्हाट आई वांट फ्रॉम ऑल ऑफ यू I am not telling you figures, I am not reviewing you, I know मते बहुत बड़ा बड़ा figures दिया है थिला कहिबा पे I am not telling, I am just telling you get your act back into Mission Shakti जहा जहा सब legacy issues अछि ताकू sort out करंतु को जीपी रे 3-4 जण बैंक मित्र अछंती से दौडुचंती काहे कि तांकर सर्विस एरिया अलगा ही जाय छै I think Puri has that issue. Puri has that issue. Yeah. So quickly sort it out. Write us a note कि एटा करके sort out कर दियंतु. Tell the specialist concerned कि बा को जीपी रे को एसएचजी को गोटे जिंसर दरमा मासे मासे धरकी पाइनी. Sort it out. Please become achievers. माने sort out करिवा पे लागंतु. Not that there is a problem अछि सेटा तो मोर काम न मो आगुरु जे थिले भी करि नथिले. Okay. This commitment I want from all of you. Now I will also during the course of today be talking to DPC, DPM together district wise separately because there are some issues I want to tell each specific district. Kichi districts are excellent. Every day I am hearing new things happening. Kichi districts soi padleni. Kichi karunanti. Gotiye ki Mission Shakti cafe nai gote जिल्ला रे. आम माने डेटा एंट्री ऑपरेटर हबा पे तो चाकरी रे आसीनो कि हाँ एनआरएलएम हमको मागिला एतिकिटा डेटा दबार अछि दे एटलीस्ट एनआरएलएम किछि डेटा मागुछि मिशन शक्ति रो तो किछि डेटा नै सो डीपीसी बीपीसी माने कले न कले नै so you will get a salary revision you will get excellent support staff I guarantee you we will do it in a free and fair manner we are trying that every block रे at least 3 जण बीएलसी रहिबे तांकर 2 जण हमर जणे every block रे 3 block livelihood coordinators we are trying every block we will do a system of counseling eta apun mane kahi dei paranti nijo area re we will do a system of counseling where choice will be given jo block re 3 ru besi achanti tanku ame shift karibo those who have served for more than x number of years tanku ame shift karibo at block level so BLCs we will try to fill up DPCs, DPMs will get good supporting hands so that you actually have a team. We are also revising Gadi and other things so that Gadi is completely with you for the whole month. But we want performance. And as I told you, first call will go to your collector. Mane more. I am sure the joint secretaries and SPDs and all will take some steps. But more intervention of a first call will go to collector. Second call, you may get some orders. So, Satyavada, please do not come and tell because I am telling you right now. Next 8 to 12 months, we have to work hard and we have to continue working hard. 8 to 12 months, why I am saying? Because we have certain targets. आमको निहाती आधार कार्ड टा करिकी दबार अछि आमको निहाती स्कूटर रे 80,000 बेनिफिशियरीज को दबार अछि आमको निहाती 15,000 कोटी टंका फाइनेंशियल रे करिवार अछि वी मे हैव इलेक्शंस नेक्स्ट ईयर अपन यू मे लूज 2-3 मंथ्स ऑफ नेक्स्ट ईयर सो टिल डिसेंबर ट्राई टू फिनिश इट एनी सपोर्ट यू वांट वी आर ऑलवेज रेडी सो जो माने ब्लॉक रो भी जो माने स्टाफ आसीचंती ब्लॉक रे काम न हेले एटा हबने वी आर आल्सो थिंकिंग of revitalizing the sector how to put some senior officers in the field so that you can report to them you do not become just one part of PD's office or DSW's office we are also seeing how to put Swatantra Mission Shakti officers so that you all can all report to them otherwise आमे जानु छु कोन होची पीडी कर 1000 टा काम आपण मानको ड्रैग हिट कर दउचंती जे टिके स्मार्ट और एफिशिएंट अछि से आवास योजना भी देखुची से एनआरईजीएस भी देखुची ଆଉ ଯୋଉମାନେ DSW ऑफिस रे सेमाने अंगनवाड़ी दरमा भी करूचंती सो वी अंडरस्टैंड दीज आर इश्यूज ऑफ वर्किंग विथ गवर्नमेंट गोटे दिन रे जीवनी बट विद इन दैट पैराफन एरिया आपण मानकर किछि किछि कलीग्स बहुत भलो काम करूचंती सो ट्राई एंड एम्युलेट दैट ओके आई थिंक आई हैव सेड इनफ इफ देयर इज एनीथिंग इंपॉर्टेंट आई हैव लेफ्ट आउट देन ड्यूरिंग द कोर्स ऑफ द डे I will come back to it. Thank you. And I'll call each one of you separately to talk to you. Any suggestion, anything you have also, I'm ready to take. Thank you again. Branding. Keep in mind branding. Social media, press. I can't tell you, but Honorable Chief Minister gets very happy to see the success stories of women. So please come out with good stories. आमो डिपार्टमेंट रो जति कलरफुल पिक्चर्स हे पारे आउ जहा स्टोरीज हे पारे मो भावने आउ को डिपार्टमेंट रो हे पारे जति पॉजिटिव स्टोरीज आमे दे पारिबो आउ को डिपार्टमेंट दे पारिबोनी एंड यस कीप योर पासपोर्ट्स रेडी यू मे बी आस्क्ड टू गो टू दुबई और सिंगापुर वेरी सून सो दैट इज इट